If you wonder if there's default detection on the Google Pixel Watch 3, then let me quickly show you. So I was actually searching for this function in the settings and I cannot find it, but I enter for the official Google website and I find a lot of different information with this table. Take a look. We can find here default detection on the Pixel Watch 3, Pixel Watch 2 and the Pixel Watch first generation. But what is really important that when you scroll down, we get information that it's only available in the Pixel supported countries. It's not available, for example, in the Germany. And when I'm gonna click here and check the list of this is actually the list for phones, but of course we want to check this for watches. So I will try to show you in which country we can actually get it. So take a look. This is the list of the countries where default detection is actually available. So we've got Australia, Austria, Belgium, Canada, and other countries. Take a look. This is all country list where default detection is actually available. As you can see right now, there's information about the Germany, but when you go back into this table, the Germany, it's not on the list. It shouldn't be actually on the list. So yeah, that's it, the quick information for you. And that's, by the way, how default detection works. So I'm from Poland and the Poland was on the list, but I cannot find it in the settings. I was searching like everything in this watch and there's like no option to turn it on and off manually. So probably it's like built into this device and you cannot manage this. Yeah, if you have other information about fall detection, you can share them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.